I'm Jason Sullivan, one of the, I guess, co-leaders, co-founders of Kid Talk, Teacher Talk. Started back in 2007 or 2014 in my district, and then first year involved participants in New York City in 2017. So this particular year, I think, as NGSS has continued to evolve, and we see this now after about 10 years of being in place or similar standards, really what Kid Talk, Teacher Talk is about is establishing some really engaging storylines that can run through a science unit and helping teachers equip themselves and their class too with different techniques to how do you really promote dialogue and discourse in your classroom that that starts to focus on the student talk more than it talks about the teacher talk. Hence, in the name Kid Talk, Teacher Talk, we really look at the balance between that. Who's doing the talking, and how do we shift that conversation to be pretty much pretty much the kids talking through that. That's what the piece is going to be about. Some really new things that we'll hopefully plan for this year that we haven't done in the past as we try to keep evolving and getting better every year and taking from the expertise that the leaders and the participants bring from their experiences in the classroom.